How to fix Bloxshade not working. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Bloxshade not working. So let's get started. There are a couple of steps that you need to perform in order to get rid of that issue. So first of all, you need to download the latest version. So get the most recent release of Bloxshade from the official GitHub link provided. And then you gotta extract the files. So unzip the downloaded archive to access the installation files. Then in step 3, you gotta launch the installer, that run the setup executable to initiate the installation process, and then access settings. So in the installation window, locate and click on settings option. After that, you gotta apply NVIDIA patch. So select the option to patch the NVIDIA application, ensuring all required updates are implemented. Then uninstall and exit. Click on uninstall and then close the window to finalize the patching procedure. Then reinstall the NVIDIA application. So allow the installer to automatically install the latest version of the NVIDIA app, and then you gotta accept the terms. So click agree and continue to accept the terms and move forward. Next, you gotta enable the required settings. So proceed by clicking next and ensure the necessary settings is turned on before moving ahead. Then you gotta finish the installation. So press done to successfully complete the installation. Then you gotta click on open the shader menu. So wait for the NVIDIA overlay to appear. Then press Alt plus F3 to access the shader menu. And at the last, you gotta load and apply shaders. So once the shaders are fully loaded, apply them to your game for the visual enhancement. So that was how you can fix the issue of Bloxshade not working. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.